Welcome to Best Budget Info. Here, we review tech products to help you make the best purchasing decision. Our team stays busy to keep you updated on latest tech trends. To purchase the right product, check out the links in the description and subscribe to my channel.
Are you seeking for a trustworthy, simple-to-use little chainsaw for your routine DIY tasks? We'll look at some of the top mini chainsaws for homeowners in this video. On number 1, we have Zikopomi Mini Chainsaw. Look no further than the Zikopomi Tiny Chainsaw if you're looking for a high-performance tiny chainsaw that's ideal for daily usage. This amazing device is incredibly powerful for its small size and portability. It is perfect for all kinds of outdoor jobs because of its small size and ease of movement. The robust 4-inch blade on the Zikopomi Mini Chainsaw can easily handle difficult duties. It has a lithium-ion battery that can operate continuously for up to 2 hours and is simple to recharge using a regular battery charger. In addition, a safety lock to stop unintentional starts and a non-slip handle for better control are included with this chainsaw. The Zikopomi Mini Chainsaw is the ideal tool for any outdoor project, including tree trimming, firewood cutting, and other similar tasks. A vital addition to any homeowner's toolkit, it is portable, strong, and simple to use. Why then wait? Place your order for a Zikopomi Mini Chainsaw right away and get those outdoor jobs going like a pro. On number 2, we have Imoumlive Mini Chainsaw. The Imoumlive Tiny Chainsaw is a strong contender for the title of Finest Tiny Chainsaw of 2023. With its lightweight design and small size, this chainsaw is simple to use even for non-experienced homeowners. With a potent 21-volt motor that can propel the Imoumlive Mini Chainsaw up to 6,000 revolutions per minute, you are capable of handling even the most difficult cutting tasks. The ergonomic handle design of the Imoumlive Mini Chainsaw is one of its standout qualities. The concept not only makes the chainsaw more maneuverable overall, but it also makes sure that you have a safe and comfortable grip when using the tool. In addition, the small chainsaw has a guard to keep debris from flying into your eyes or face while you're using it. The Imoumlive Mini Chainsaw stands out from its rivals thanks in part to its simple construction and maintenance procedures. You can easily disassemble and reassemble the chainsaw with just a few simple tools, making it simple and quick to clean and maintain the tool. On number 3, we have Zikopomi Mini Chainsaw. Another great choice for homeowners looking for a portable and simple-to-use chainsaw is the Zikopomi Mini. One of the lightest tiny chainsaws on the market, it weighs just over 2 pounds and is powered by a lithium-ion battery that can last up to 3 hours on a single charge. The Zikopomi safety switch, which ensures that the saw only operates when the switch and trigger are both engaged, is one of its special features. This can add to your sense of security when using a chainsaw, especially if you've never used one before. Additionally, the Zikopomi includes a self-lubricating mechanism, which keeps the chain lubricated while in functioning, reducing the possibility of damage to the saw and extending its life. Additionally, it is simple to stow and move when not in use thanks to its small size. Overall, for homeowners looking for a tiny chainsaw for light to medium-duty tasks around the yard, the Zikopomi Mini Chainsaw is a great choice. It is an effective and user-friendly tool that can complete the task swiftly and easily because to its lightweight design, safety features, and self-lubricating system. So these are some of the best mini chainsaws to buy. If you enjoyed our video, leave a like and subscribe to my channel for future updates.